What is the purpose for our life? And when it doesn't feel like there is a purpose, it is like a living hell, feeling, acutely aware that of this, thing that doesn't change, this deep spiritual quality within us that doesn't change. It isn't dependent on circumstances. And that being the meaning of life, like sitting in that spot and having so much permission to just be a person. And I know we're all trying to survive, and so what came up for me today after a kind of dark night of the soul, pretty dark, what if our purpose was to find alignment? It just feels so good, you guys. Like, that can be a purpose, to find your alignment, whether it's, through acknowledging your feelings or positive focus or your passion and how you want to help yourself and other people. That feeling inside of you that says, I can trust myself. I feel like kind of fuck it, like anything that activates that fuck it, like that is where that's the green light to go in that direction. So if that's your purpose in life, is to find your own alignment and just keep finding your alignment, and then permission to become or experience more and more permission slips of freedom.